Hey guys, today we'll be opening up some surprises and also we'll be unboxing a squishy. So let's get started. Up first, I'm going to be unboxing the Series 3 Mini Boos collectibles hand painted. Ooh, here's all the people we could collect. We could get Cherry, Speckles, Patsy. I actually have Patsy and a Beanie Boo stuffed animal. We could get Fetch the Dalmatian, we could get Muffet the Kitten, we could get Amethyst the Unicorn, we could get a Chaser, we could get Bubblegum the Unicorn. I hope we get any of the unicorns because I love unicorns, if you didn't know already. And there you can get Oscar the Owl, you can get Neil the Seal, you can get Glider the Piglet, you can get Gilda the Flamingo, not a parrot, what am I saying? And Cracker the Bear. I hope we get Amethyst or Bubblegum today, because you know how much I love unicorns. I'm sorry guys if I have to put the camera down. It's because I forgot to charge my GoPro, and now this is what happens when you don't charge your GoPro, is that you have to use the phone. It's hard to do this one-handed. Sorry guys, I can't do this. So let's see who we get. I hope we get either one, because all of them are so cute. Anyways, this is a yellow bag. Let's see who we got today. Sorry again, I have to put the camera down once again. It's Cracker the Bear. He is so cute. He's cute. Put them here. We'll put that to the side. Up next, we will be opening up this yowie egg. His name is Squish. When I have a bowl right here. So let's unbox him. Hello, I'm Squish. Hi. I haven't opened up a yowie egg in so long. Sorry guys again. I will get a better setup, I promise I will. At some point in the future. He's unwrapping out of his shell. He needs to be unwrapped more. To be delicious chocolate. Okay, he's kind of melted. Melted Squish. Well, that makes sense because he's Squish. Let's try to open this guy in two pieces. Oh, never mind. He did not come apart in two pieces. Oh, this is a different egg this time. This one's blue and yellow. This one's red and yellow. I wonder who we got inside. Of here. Open up. Why won't you open up? Ugh. Why won't you open up? Come on. Fine. How to put the camera down? I'm so sorry. We got a tiger or a cheetah or whatever. Let's see. What? Okay. Super Crystal Collectible. This is interesting. Guys, look at the checklist. Very interesting. I've never seen that before. Let's see who we got. Where's the tiger? Siberia Tiger! It's a Super Crystal Collectible! And this one's endangered, sadly. Let's try the chocolate. really good. Okay. These are out to the side. Yeah. Sorry guys, the chocolate's so good. Okay, moving on. Up next. Up next, we'll be opening up this other yowie egg. Oh, it's a Num Num lip gloss. Very nice, very nice. Cute. I'm not gonna open up now. I'm gonna open up. Last, up next we have this Hatchimal egg, the sunset egg. I can't turn this one pink, so I guess we're gonna have to bust it open. Crack. Crack. Whoa, that thing came apart nicely. Look who we have. We have this guy. Isn't he cute? Moving on. Lastly, we have this Llama Squeeze Yo Squishy. There's a pink one and then there's a purple one. So let's open it. Ugh. Sorry again, guys. This is just so complicated. Oh my goodness. Or should I say, oh my llama. Oh my God. It is so cute. Let's give it a good squish. Not very slow rising, but it smells kind of good. Okay, here's all of the stuff that we got today. Okay guys, well I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. And please like and subscribe for more videos. And click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. Bye!